哪里都像快乐被染去，就好像你曾在我隔壁的班级。人们把难言的爱都埋入土壤里，袖手旁观着别人经历，撇清自己。我听见了你的声音，也藏着颗不敢见的心。我躲进挑剔的人群，夜夜深就找那颗星星。我以为猎人将我热情都燃尽，你却像一张情书，感觉很初级。人们把晚来的爱都锁在密码里，字正腔圆的演说，撇清所有关系。我听见了你的声音，也藏着颗不敢见的心。我躲进挑剔的人群，夜夜深就找那颗星星。你听不到我的声音，怕脱口而出是你姓名，想确定我要遇见你，就像曾经交换过眼睛。我好想在哪儿见过你，我好想在哪儿见过你，我好想在哪儿见过你。我在趁我该忘了你。和你有关，观后无感。若是真的，敢问作者何来罪恶？全人离散，有多为难？若美丽的故事来得太晚，所以到哪里都像快乐被染去，就好像你曾在我隔壁的班级。人们把难言的爱都埋入土壤里， 袖手旁观着别人经历，撇清自己。我听见了你的声音，也藏着颗不敢见的心。我躲进挑剔的人群，夜夜深就找那颗星星。将我热情都燃起，你却像一张情书，感觉很初级。人们把晚来的爱都锁在密码里，字正腔圆的演说，撇清所有关系。我听见了你的声音，也藏着颗不敢见的心。我躲进挑剔的人群，夜夜深就找那颗星星。你听不到我的声音，怕脱口而出是你姓名，想确定我要遇见你，就像曾经交换过眼睛。我好想在哪儿见过你，我好想在哪儿见过你，我好想在哪儿见过你。我在趁我该忘了你。和你有关，观后无感。若是真的，敢问作者何来罪恶？全人离散，有多为难？若美丽的故事来得太晚，所以到哪里都像快乐被染去，就好像你曾在我隔壁的班级。人们把难言的爱都埋入土壤里，袖手旁观着别人经历，撇清自己。我听见了你的声音，也藏着颗不敢见的 惜。我躲进挑剔的人群，夜一深就找那颗星星。我以为恋人将我热情都燃尽，你却像一张情书，感觉很出奇。人们把晚来的爱都锁在密码里，字正腔圆的演说，撇清所有关系。我听见了你的声音，也藏着颗不敢见的心。我躲进挑剔的人群，夜一深就找那颗星星。你听不到我的声音，怕脱口而出是你姓名，想确定我要遇见你，就像曾经交换过眼睛。我好想在哪儿见过你，我好想在哪儿见过你，我好想在哪儿见过你。我在趁我该忘了你。和你有关，观后无感。若是真的，敢问作者何来罪恶？全人离散，有多？ 将我热情都燃起，你却像一张情书，感觉很出奇。人们把晚来的爱都锁在密码里，字正腔圆的演说，撇清所有关系。我听见了你的声音，也藏着颗不敢见的心。我躲进挑剔的人群，夜一深就找那颗星星。你听不到我的声音，怕脱口而出是你姓名，想确定我要遇见你，就像曾经交换过眼睛。我好想在哪儿见过你，我好想在哪儿见过你，我好想在哪儿见过你。我在趁我该忘了你。和你有关，观后无感。若是真的，敢问作者何来罪恶？全人离散，有多为难？若美丽的故事来得太晚，所以到哪里都像快乐被染去，就好像你曾在我隔壁的班级。人们把难言的爱都埋入土壤里，袖手旁观着别人经历，撇清自己。我听见了你的声音，也藏着颗不敢见的心。我躲进挑剔的人群，夜一深就找那颗星星。
Hello. Hello, test test. 吓死你了 ！Hello。哎呀，今天我们来这里分享了好多事情呢。Okay, hi. Yeah. So, good afternoon, yeah, everyone. Okay, let me. Okay, good afternoon, our dear Harmony members and the investors. Okay, today is Thursday, 24th of September already. Very fast. Okay, still kind of, yesterday is kind of August, but now it's end of September already. Yeah. Have you feeling that? Do you have the same feeling? Time flies. Yeah, time flies, but market haven't fly. Yeah, market is quiet, but today, kind of okay, kind of okay, but is it very strong one? Okay, let us check it soon. Okay, let us check soon. Okay, welcome to my live. Okay, everyone. So this is a MG from Homely Chat. Having passive income to earn is Homely. Okay, welcome to my trading day stock analysis. We are focused on US and Malaysia shares. If you are the first time to watch my live, here's a brief introduction. We'll diagnosis your share in US and Malaysia shares. Okay, we will also share some topic. Okay, so the topic of the current market. Yeah, today's topic is the UA stocks keep falling back, keep falling down. Is it time for us to bottom catch? Okay, is it time for time to bottom catch? If your answer is yes, can reply me yes below. If no, you can also answer or no. Let me check. How do you feel about the US market first? And then the glove bounce back. Is it chance or just a trap? Okay, US stocks we have Brian Dew. Brian, you have US shares. Okay, Miss Autumn. Do you think it's time to bottom catch? You see Tesla dropped so much. Is it time for us to buy now to bottom catch? Seems very low area, right? Very low price. And we know that it's very good company. Not calling buyer. Okay, let me have the disclaimer first. Otherwise, yeah, things happen. Okay. Otherwise, got problem. This video is purely for study and discussion, not for call buy and sell. So trade with own risk. Okay, so we will more focus on this study and discussion and analyzing about our shares. Okay. And yes, and here is the way how you can diagnose your share. You can just WhatsApp your share code number and your entry price and your trading periods to 011 1652792. Okay, you can just how to diagnose your share. Can just WhatsApp your share code number, entry price, and the trading periods to 011 1652792. Yeah, hi, Sin. Yeah, we have Miss Wang, Tavaso, Malcolm. Yeah, Ristaco, okay, and then Christine. Okay, Christine. And we got a yes here. Okay, bottom gets. You want a bottom gets? Brian? Okay, how's the feeling of bottom gets last night? Or you're ready to do the bottom gets? Okay. So let's take a look about the whole market first. Let's start with the US one. As we said before, why even some of us didn't trade the US market, but we still take a look about the index. All these policies, policies trend, economic plan, and the coronavirus will be influenced. Okay, the related plans will be also influence the local market, but the worst of the local market is that the changeable political things, okay, which increased uncertainty of the current market. So actually, recently, if you trade US market, you trade the Malaysian one, is kind of how to say, just make even or just still get trapped in the market, right? But if you are faster, okay, changer, I mean, you can react very fast. You have been taking your profit earlier already, okay? Now we'll talk about the US one, the US share. US index, hold on, let me, okay, we go to the US one. Yesterday, we also take a look about the US Dow Jones. Do you remember what we shared yesterday? Okay, this is the Dow Jones. And we can see currently, last night have another sorry, have another drop again. Okay, have around 1.9%. Now only 26763% points. Okay, another big drop. Yesterday slightly rebound, but we say that it's still below this half of this negative candle, so it's still very weak rebound. That's what we shared yesterday. The way today is drop further. Okay, drop further, and at this time we know that we can check the dynamic chips if whether the dynamic chips shows the purple color. If shows purple color means that the market go to oversold area. So if the market goes to oversold area, then it's our chance after the oversold area finished. But so far, even yesterday drop a lot, but there's no oversold area. So still means that in the process of dropping, with the profitable effect of the Dow Jones around 8%, only 8% now, okay, only 8%. We compare about the VIX. Let's take a compare about the VIX. So VIX also have big drop last night, okay, have big drop. So this is a normal one, right? It's a normal things happen, but means that this drop also confirmed with the VIXY. VIX tells us the volatility of the investors' psychology becomes more active, means they kind of more worried of the current market. Not means the market become very bad, but means the correction continues and haven't finished yet. If it haven't finished, then it's not the right time for us to bottom get up, right? Okay, so we go to take a look at the Nasdaq also. Nasdaq also like this, right? Yesterday have some what is this? The loose effect appeared, and the red chips, the profitable effect 20%. Last night also dropped, but the good thing is haven't dropped the previous low. Haven't dropped the previous low. Before we know that it has dropped this area, right? Have dropped this area, but later on cover back and then cover down again. So means that one day we said one day cannot confirm, right? Cannot confirm. So maybe tomorrow we'll bounce back, have rebound. But you see, there are one rebound, two bounce back, but it's kind of a weak one, right? Kind of a weak one. So today, tomorrow maybe have a bounce back, but if it's still below the candle, below this box, the market still weak, haven't finished the bounce back. But if you can go back at least to the box, then you still have a short-term chance. Okay, maybe I know that Brian replies yes because maybe he got a good bottom cash by his own individual shares, because US market still have a lot of good shares. But is the Tesla the one? So we can also take a look. Tesla keep dropping, and also we can double confirm with their banker chips. Okay, the banker chips, it's the red chips are always the double confirm of the trend can continue or change or something, right? So the red chips means the big institutional in these shares. And from analyze of the trend, you see before the correction is get support by the yellow lines. This time a little bit haven't break down the yellow lines, but it's deeper correction, but so far haven't break it down. But the point is the banker chips compared to before's correction becomes deeper, 41% only, 41% of the banker chips now. And I'm also not saying that these stocks this shares finished already. Just say that this correction a little bit deep. If you do short term, absolutely have your sell point. Okay, sell point have appeared earlier time. Okay, earlier time at around this is September the 3rd. The second sell point also 2 days ago. Okay, 2 days ago. So certain, of course, need to sell. But if long term, you also need to tell you you can stand this correction. Okay, the percentage is around, the percentage we can calculate around 24%. Okay, you can stand this 20% plus dropping. Otherwise, you're not suitable to do medium long term. Excuse me, we have some noises here because our aircon got some problem. If you cannot hear me clearly, just reply me. So if you cannot hear me clearly, I will change another place. Okay, so but I think my mic a little bit should be okay. But need to see your feedback. Can you hear me clearly? Yeah, good afternoon, Han. Mr. Han. Okay, actually high profit in opening for Snowflake, but end up dropping a lot. Oh, you bought this IPO one, brand new. Okay, we check a look at the Snowflake. It's a hot share. Hot share. Yesterday we also took a look about this share, right? Also take a look, but you see, last night also the retailer chips keep increasing. Yeah, keep increasing means that it's still haven't, how to say, the trend is still not good, right? Still not good. Even it's IPO share, you also need to find their point. Okay, find the trend. So far the trend still not good. No bankers at all, right? No bankers at all to see whether their day chart have the day chart chance or not. But for short term, middle long term, no good chance. Be careful. Okay. USD 225. Last line drop further. Okay, drop further. Drop a lot last night on second half. Yeah, the second half. So be careful. I think you need to change your strategy. Okay, market change a lot. Every one of us need to change, follow the change of the whole market. Okay, first thing, listen to market. Later on, change. Okay, changeable by following the market. Okay, but your style or your principle no need to change. I mean that your strategy needs to change. Sometimes your strategy is not suitable for the changeable market anymore. So you need to change your strategy. Okay. And then, okay, we take a look at the KLCI. KLCI. And before we've been shared, okay, before we've been shared this supported area by the 1/4 of the market. Okay, if we just calculate from this low point to this high point, the 1/4 position is a support area. There is a dotted line shows here. Okay, if I gone up the rainbow, you can see before also have resistance. So far also have resistance. Today even is positive in this morning, but still around here. Okay, we can take a look. Here, right? Still in this color, this one. If we use the daily chart, okay, the daily chart, still in this area, right? In this area. So it's just around, okay, just around here, okay, just around this line. This dotted line, 1/4 area support gives support to the price. But I also said before, there's no profitable effect here, so cannot expect much. Okay, here you don't expect it will go up. Okay, also need to prepare for the thing, and also the uncertainties increase in the Malaysian market. Okay, so be careful. But today we can take a look the sector. Let's take a look at the sectors. Today also a lot of red, but except healthcare, and you know that the another wave of coronavirus in the US also seems become critical. Okay, 100 plus, 150 plus new cases every day. So this is also a reason, one of the reason. And today the healthcare have 2.8%, 2.8%. So compared to other sectors, of course, it's good one. And today with 373 shares increase, 547 shares decrease, and with 385 shares make even. Okay, so it's not so strong, except you also find a strong share, right? Find a strong share. Now we can take a look about the healthcare one. We take a look at the healthcare index in this software, KL healthcare. So is it a bang? Let's like our topic today. Is it a chance or just a trap? A trap means that after the bankers you see here is a trap. Why? The rebound is a trap. Want to attract more retailers to accept the expensive price in the top so that the bankers can switch the tips and then take the profit. Here is also kind of a trap, right? But because you see the bankers keep dropping, right? Keep dropping. And then after the rebound finish are going on, the chance means that, okay, if we say it's a chance means that it can just keep going on and pushing up going on and we breaking up the previous high. That is the uptrend continues. Okay, so before we confirm is a chance, we have some standards to confirm it's a chance or just a trap. All the shares, okay, below this trend, okay, below this trend line is just a trap. Okay, you cannot confirm. Okay, cannot confirm is a chance, except very short term. If you are like intraday, 1 day, 2 days, you know that you are trading short term, then should be okay. But also have tools to support you, right? Have tools to support you. So far, you see, even though they have rebound, but if it can break out this uptrend line, still have another resistance need to break out. Okay, then you can slowly add your portion. Otherwise, it's just very short term, short capital to trade. Okay. And no problem, we can take a look about your share, and we know that still have some strong share, have some strong share here. Okay, even this morning, okay, our member Christy also have this Care Plus. Okay, we can take a look about the Care Plus for you first. Have a good bounce back to this morning. Okay, around 10%, I think. Okay, let's call out 0163. K plus, you see daily chart, the bankers still have 75%. Okay, 75% bankers, not bad. Okay, not bad. And before, just to break down the yellow line and get support by the blue lines. Okay, get support by the blue lines. Now is the bounce back. And we also need to use the trend line. Okay, we can just draw a line here, right? Draw a line here. See what happened here. What happened here? Okay. Sorry. We just draw a line here. Okay. So hold on. I will draw for you. Why cannot? Like this. You're happy now because it's kind of a breakout downtrend line. So is it means okay? Is it means okay? And we know it means that in short term you have rebound chance, no problem. This rebound chance is more safe. The rebound below this downtrend line, okay? But we still have a previous high as resistance, okay? As resistance, if we draw a line here. Okay, so you see, you still have 3 previous high need to break out to confirm to confirm your your chance. Okay, so means so far you see if I put my mouse here, the price in the mouse is around 3.2 3.29 around 3 so far the price is 3.1, have another 20 cents profit. If you think you want to get it short term, no problem, I still have some space. If we break out, of course, next resistance will be here. The price here is around 4.2, and then the previous high, okay, the biggest previous high is 5.83. Okay, 5.83. So how should we do? So far means that in this area, of course, to short term, no problem. Your profit space 20 cents, and then another one. So I just tell you already, right? Just tell you already the space. But how to say, before it can really break out the previous high, you can only short term or medium short term, cannot say the real chance. But it can it's not a big trap because it's just kind of a break off this downtrend line with banker tips 75%. So today intraday players, of course, no problem. Short term one, let's say 1 day, less than 1 week, okay, short term, of course you also can do, but medium long term investor need to wait for a while. Okay, So if you do short term, we can go to the hourly chart. Okay, hourly chart, we use trend expert. So you can see the trend expert also turns to red this morning, 10 o'clock. And later on, the trend expert break up the major line at around 11 o'clock. Okay, at 11 o'clock. So of course, short term, why not? You can trade, right? You can trade short term. But long term, you see daily chart is still below the major line. Can need to wait for 1 year. Leave me up soon. Okay, so this is for this one. Okay, let us check your shares here. Hold on, let me open my WhatsApp. Yeah, here's the way how to dynasty share. Can WhatsApp your share code number, entry price and the trading period is to 011-165-27962. Okay, Dew, Mr. Dew Lee Ho, 0132. Technodex daily short term can hold or not, 165. So we take a look at the whole trend of the share. Actually no big problem, right? The whole trend no big problem, because you do short term. I guess you just entered the day, right? You just entered the day. Today the low price is 15, your entry price is 165, and seems that you want to just buy after the correction finished. I don't know which indicator you use. Okay. If you do short term, we just go to hourly chart. Our banker tips around 75%, no big problem. Then we go to the hourly chart. Hourly chart, okay. Here turns to red and trying to break up the major line. Okay, so far I think no problem. Still consider to hold. But these banker chips need to keep increasing better. Otherwise, I just go in sideways. You see, sideways for a long time already. Sideways from 9:30, from 9:30 to till 12:30. Sideways 2 hours already. Why? Because in the hourly chart, the bankers haven't pushed up. Just remain sideways. Okay, remain sideways. If remain sideways, retailers better decreasing. Okay, better decreasing. So it's kind of okay to see if we can break up the major line or not. Okay, if cannot break up, just finished. Okay, one candle also cannot say successfully break up the major line. Okay, so you just see this afternoon, if it just turn to green below this major line, absolutely take your profit. Okay, absolutely cut loss or take your profit. But if you can going up, of course you can consider to hold. So far also can consider to hold, right? So far consider to hold. Just not sure this afternoon can break up or not, because the whole trend, no problem. The whole trend, no problem. Also hope it can going up, but you see, current rebound is still below. So hope this afternoon can going higher. So far can consider to hold. Short term. Okay, hold on. I shall hold. Advanta. You take profit. Today you took profit. Okay, took profit 6% also. 6% rebound, right? 6%. So you see this Advanta. Okay, this Advanta. The banker chips around 68%. Okay, we can just take a look here. Okay, we just take a comparing here. Okay, this is a K plus, and then we can put the Advanta here. Okay, later on if you have other glove one, I can also dynasty for you. Can you see my screen now? Because I am afraid the camera will invisible, but I turn off my camera already. So actually the banker chips here of Advanta have how many percent? Oh, here cannot see this one, no problem. Let's see, have around 70, 60 plus. Okay, so far have a lot of bankers here, right? And we can see if we draw a line here, actually similar pattern. Okay, similar pattern is the K plus. Okay, similar pattern. Just draw a line here. I cannot see it clearly. Let me see. Cannot draw here. Cannot draw like this. Cannot this. But I cannot move this one away. I cannot move this one. Yeah, okay. Here can, right? Here can. It's just like the K plus. K plus also can draw the line like this, right? You can draw a line. But we know the previous high still will give resistance to the current price. Okay, so you took a real profit, no problem. But so far, actually, in the day chart, still okay, right? Still okay. If we just take a look at the hourly chart, we use trend expert. You see, we make it bigger. You see, still red color, still considered to hold, right? Still considered to hold. If this afternoon break up, the major line is more safe. Okay, more safe. Now short term here you can buy. Okay, no problem. And the next one. I will choose the glove one to analyze for you first. SP Yap, Supermax. Oh, not Supermax. This is Panda Master. Okay, hold on. I check another one. HLT from Fun. From Fun. HLT. HLT here. So we can see HLT banker chips also have around 70+%. Have 72%. Have 72%. And we can also draw a line here, So like this, okay, this pattern. Okay, but also have this previous high need to break out. Okay, so short-term rebound, short-term no problem. But for longer term, need to wait, form another higher low first. Okay, have another higher low first. So current price here is around 151. Okay, 164. Okay, 164. The previous high price is around 2.09. Okay, this is a profit space. HLT. And okay, LKL from Xiaoying 0182. LKL. We also draw a line here, no problem. We also draw a line here. You can see also breakout, but actually this one have a box here. Okay, move in this box about this LKL with banker chips. 62%, but still have a lot of retailers. You see these four shares are all these four shares, how to say? Yeah, gone already. No problem. But let's see this one. We use the bigger chart first. LKL. Okay, LKL. We draw the line. We know that is also kind of downtrend, right? Kind of rebound. Today have 7%. Today have 7% bounce back, but actually still also have this line here. Okay, have previous high here. But actually, this share is kind of a rebound. Okay, kind of a sideways in this area. This area need to break up first. Otherwise, is also just short term, right? Short term one. Banker chip 72%. Okay, after you break out, the next one is this resistance. Okay, so it's just also a what need to break up this one. Otherwise, it's also just finished here. Short term only. Okay, short term only. So still have short term chance. You trade medium long term. Okay, medium long term we go to daily chart. Daily chart we can just use this rainbow, no problem. Still can hold, no problem. Your medium long term still can keep holding. But later on, if cannot break up the previous high, also can consider to reduce, because the whole trend haven't back to the uptrend, so only have short term chance. Okay, now we take a look. Other one. Okay. Advanta, Dafaso also asked. I just checked already. Yeah. Advanta, yeah, checked already. Yeah, good afternoon, Larry. Supermax, okay, Supermax. Someone. Supermax bank is only 49%. Okay, 49%. You do intraday. Okay, whole trend no problem. And we can also see this trend line. Okay, this trend line still below. Still a little bit below. Still a little bit below. So this is the one. Okay, trying to break out. But intraday no problem, right? Intraday good chance. Okay, intraday we can just use the bank chips here in the intraday. Intraday 5 cents, 5%. Here is the buy point of the price break of the yellow line under 930. Okay, 930. But why it didn't push up so much? Because only small bankers in the tick chart, 17% only, 70%. Here breakdown, but later on cover back already. So you see I break down without retailers. So you know that maybe strike out chance are retail. But if also have retailers appeared here with the price breakdown, the major line may be a higher possible drop. Okay, but later on call back. Of course, you can also sell here, then buy back here. Okay, no problem. So far, still can consider to hold if you do intraday because still above the yellow line, and also no retailer, right? But if this afternoon, if have bankers enter in the tick chart, then you have bigger chance. Otherwise, small profit, right? Small profit. In thanks. Should I have Brian do? LKL, we just checked. Tesla look like rebound, reached support. Can you hear? Okay. Nicole Chin 7240 7240, and we can see the whole trend first. Okay, the whole trend of this share. If we use the rainbow, rainbow is below the white line. Okay, vertex below the white line to short term no problem. You want to do intraday, how you want to do intraday. Okay, bank tips in daily chart 44%. Cannot say very strong share. If you do intraday, also choose strong shares and the activity shares. Intraday 1 minute chart. 1 minute chart is just sideways around the yellow lines here. Okay, this afternoon better can standing above. Okay, standing above their sideways. Otherwise, it just finish there, right? So and the bigger chance also lead to break out this sideway. Okay, break out this sideway. Now is sideway around here. Okay, need to kind of break out. Then you have bigger chance. Of course, the banker tips also lead to follow up. Otherwise, just sideway here or maybe go drop. Okay, because it's not very strong share. So make sure you follow the shares. Follow the tool step by step. Okay, next one. Care Plus. HLT already diagnosis. No, Care Plus also diagnosis. 1481. 1481. Or the Vans. 1481. 16 cents. You just bought. Hold for a week already. Thank you. Hold for a week. So you see, you analyze from the longer chart. This share is not so strong. Always in sideways. Always in sideways. Only yesterday have a big 52% already, right? Yesterday, but today have chance for you to take a profit. I think if you go to hourly chart, you see today 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock you need to sell. Okay, otherwise you're back again. Okay, be careful. This one. For Lucky L. Okay. Paulo Bach Henry. 53 cents short term. Longer term, still okay, right? Still okay. Then short term hourly chart still red color, but it's a little bit thin. So means that momentum is not so enough. But also still have got a lot of banker chips to hold. No big problem. 83.67. Okay, Malaysia Pacific. You will go to daily chart. Daily chart is also kind of a strong share with banker chips 63%. Any chance to bounce back middle term? So far, still in sideways. I haven't finished yet. Okay, you can also wait. 53. Sorry, where is the one? Okay, 53 cents short term. If you see hourly chart, okay, hourly chart, there's no bankers, so that's why it goes sideways. Okay, that's why it goes sideways a lot. No bankers, so haven't finished yet. Need to turn to red with the banker chips pushing up. Then is the bounce back starts. Okay, 7113 top glove. Top glove, top glove 5% bounce. Okay, and we can also draw the line here. Okay, also have resistance. Be careful. This afternoon must break out. Otherwise, I draw back like before. Okay, so for top glove, it's also not so strong. Just rebound. Okay, just rebound is not. If it cannot break up the line, then it's a trap. Okay, then it's a trap. If you want to trade small capital to short-term, no problem. Long-term, don't buy. Okay, long-term, don't buy. So you see the banker chips only 42%. Okay, 42%. All glove share break resistance. No, Brian, this one haven't break out. Top glove haven't break out. Okay, not all the shares break up the resistance. Even they break out the downtrend resistance, still have previous high. Okay, still have previous high. So those shares, for example, Care Plus already break down. Okay, already break out the down resistance, but still got some way to go. Okay, means that. Okay, so means that. Okay, have a good bounce back, but the uptrend haven't formed yet. What do I mean? The uptrend need to formed, okay, with the higher low and the higher high. If they haven't break out the previous high, how to have a higher high? So still haven't formed the uptrend. Okay, still haven't formed the uptrend. So even all some of them already break out this downtrend, still cannot say a big chance, small chance only. If it haven't break out, of course it's possibly still a trap. Next one, 1023 from Mr. Lee. 1023. 1023 CIMB. Okay, CIMB. Medium long term plan to catch. Medium long term. You want to do bottom catch, Mr. Lee. Every time bottom catch, oh. Okay, let's see the whole trend. Let's see the whole trend. CIMB. A whole trend. So this is the one. Sorry. You want to do bottom catch because it seems already reached the previous low. Okay, we take a look at the weekly chart. Okay, take a look at the longer chart. Longer chart. Here have the resistance seems, but you also in the monthly chart, you also kind of trying to break down. Okay, one candle break down already. No bankers. Okay, no bankers. And then if we draw another line of the down uptrend line before also break down also break down and then without breaking out. So is it a good chance for us to enter? Also need to be careful step by step. Maybe have rebound, but is far away for us to trade medium long term. So then we go back to the daily chart. So this is the daily chart. Plan to watch. Okay, good. Plan to watch. So now just rebound chance low. You see daily chart also no bankers, right? You can start with short term first and then switch to longer term if you have bigger chance. But so far no good chance. And also the whole trend, whole market also not good. Okay, also not good. So be careful. Yeah, this is the way how to analyze the share. Can just share your code number and your entry price and your trading period to this one. Okay, next one. Miss Lim, just checked already. Just checked already. Lee C in 0170. Kanga. So also strong share, but also have resistance by the previous high. Yesterday we have been shared this share already. You can check yesterday's link. Okay, I have been shared. Your enterprise 275. So the point of this share is just have resistance by the previous high. You see, it didn't break out and then drop. Of course, you should sell yesterday. The sell point is yesterday already. Appeared yesterday. We also checked this share. Yesterday, 11 o'clock have sell point. After appeared this sell point, no buy point at all. So the price of the sell point yesterday is 27. Okay, your entry price 275. Be careful. Find a rebound to cut loss. And this share, if it cannot break out the previous high, then just very short-term chance. Okay, because this is the breakout areas, another strong market study area. Okay. Okay. We done this one share for you. Hata, okay, Hata from Cindy. 5168. Hata. For short term breakout of downtrend or not. This one also breakout already. Okay, this one is compared to other one is more stronger because not only breakout. Okay, not only breakout this one, and also seems also formed a good lower low, and this high point also break out. Okay, right, break out. Your next resistance will be here, right? Okay, will be here. So this is the one also breakout. So the chance or the profit chance seems bigger one. Okay, compared to other glove shares. Compared to other glove shares, seems bigger one. And the banker tips also reached to 49% already. 49% cannot say very strong, but okay, right? Short term, no problem. Today, the tick chart also have 6%. Okay, have 6%. Short term, also no problem. Okay, before you reach to this area, you can trade. Okay, you can trade. If you can break out, you have bigger chance. So step by step in this sentimental market, okay, all the news will come out and also will influence all the one vaccines and their coronavirus, the new cases now become more and more. So be careful, right? So the market also like this, you need to step by step, cannot just jump in and all in, okay, after you break out, okay? But compared to other glove one, this one is a stronger one, okay, stronger one. But also have 25% retailers, okay? So be careful, listen to it to trade. Okay, so still have many, Okay, Stefan, just check the top glove already. You can just review the video back. Okay, so we also prepared the class for you if you want to know more details about the Harmony Software. Okay, the class is in this coming Saturday. Coming Saturday is this one. coming Saturday 4 p.m. This is a preview class. You can invite your friend. Okay, here is the register number. This Mandarin class. English class is Sunday. Sunday 10 to 11 a.m. 11:30 a.m. You can just WhatsApp 27 to 011 165 to know more details about the course. The course is around 1 hour and a half. And we also have a branch in KL Central, Pinland, Hotel Royal, and the JP Austin High. If you want to know more details in our offline office, you can also contact us to book the one-to-one coaching, no problem. Yes, and if you want to check more, shares, and if you want to diagnose your shares, and if you want to know more details about the Homely software, can just contact me here. My WhatsApp is 011 165 Okay, the YouTube channel is Homely Time Malaysia, and my Facebook is Homely Maggie Lee. Okay, so thanks for your watching today, and any feedback can just leave in the comment or just WhatsApp to me. Very thank you, appreciate for your feedback and your share out of this video, and also appreciate your like. Okay, thank you very much, and see you tomorrow.
你却像一张情书，感觉很初级。人们把晚来的爱都锁在密码里，字正腔圆的演说，撇清所有关系。我听见了你的声音，也藏着颗不看见的心。我躲进挑剔的人群，夜一声就找那颗星星。你听不到我的声音，怕脱口而出是你姓名，想确定我要遇见你，就像曾经交换过眼睛。我好想在哪儿见过你，我好想在哪儿见过你，我好想在哪儿见过你。我在这